Let's see how to connect the Levtech Conductivity Transmitter according to the following wiring diagram, leaving out the PLC. Take the desired conductivity sensor. In our case, we test with a 4-conductor 0.0962 K-factor sensor. Connect the sensor to the transmitter. Connect the transmitter to the power source. Activate Wi-Fi communication to the transmitter. Press and hold the Wi-Fi/init button for 3 seconds with a screwdriver. Use a smartphone to connect to the transmitter. Scan the QR code from the front panel of the transmitter. Press the Setup button to enter the settings, where you can change the instrument parameters such as measurement parameters, output parameters. Give the K-factor of the probe to the transmitter. Then press Save. Check whether the transmitter has been saved. Adjust the wire capacity compensation. Change the value. Then check that the conductivity value is close to 0. Try a few values until you get a value closest to 0.00. But the impedance does not go to 0. Now adjust the compensation of the wire resistivity. To do this, we need to short-circuit the sensor. The compensation value is adjusted until the impedance value is closest to 0.00. Now take a measurement with the sensor fully open and then short-circuited. To restore the factory settings, the device must be disconnected from the power supply and then powered on again. While the blue LED is flashing, press the Wi-Fi/init button.